Alright, so today we're gonna hit this estate sale real quick, see if they got anything that's useful. Looking for some paint, like nails, screws, wood, anything that'll some building material. So let's go in and see what they got. Dang. Wood's already sold. So this paint here, all white, doesn't look bad. We'll see about getting that because I can always use white paint. Light bulbs. Electrical stuff. I mean, there's a lot here. Palm sanders, tools, grinders. There's some stain. Let's see about getting that. Stain polish. Some more stain. I need a pump. Definitely need that. Need that pump. Put that back there. Let's see about getting that. Let's see what else they got. Down here. Some drywall. Screws, nails, fuses. Use these screws. Tape measures. Never have enough of those. Nails, bits. Coffee line. Sandpaper. I need a sander like that. Bunch of random tools. Grinders. There we go. Let's see what they got here. Man, I need those nails. I don't know what they're selling these nails for. Box them. Oh shoot. Look at all these freaking nails. Good night. Yeah, I gotta see about getting these. Wow. some of these too. Clamps. Wow. So much stuff here. Hammers. Can't never have too many hammers either. I'm just doing a real quick walkthrough, see what they have. And then I'll put a bunch of stuff together and make them an offer on just a bundle kind of deal. There's some paint, purdy brush. Oh, them purdy rollers are pads are pretty expensive now. Probably like $8, $5 to $8 each. At Lowe's, all this stuff is extremely expensive. You should go to Lowe's to try to buy it. But there's a lot of material here. So I'm gonna try to, like I said, get a bunch of stuff together and then just kind of make them an offer. Some old tackle. I'm gonna buy this little, they sell really good. People like those. Oh, here's the big sander. This is what I want. That's what I need. Definitely need that with the sandpaper. Let's see, I'm gonna put this sandpaper. Well, put it over here. I'm gonna get that. But yeah. So that's about everything here at the sale. We'll go outside and got some paintbrushes. Mineral spirits. They got a lot of paint. $2 for that paint. That's insane. This stuff's like $60 a can. Definitely try to buy those. I gotta open them up and see if they're still good. But yeah, that's about everything here. See what they see what kind of price they'll give me for that stuff. I'll put it all together and I'll let y'all know at the end what all I come out of here with and my price on everything. So I'm gonna get this wheelbarrow, cool box.
You said it's $5 a piece?
Okay, I'll take them. And then buy these galvanized trash cans. All right, so I'm just leaving the sale. Got a truckload of stuff. I'm gonna go home and pull it all out. Tell you what I paid for it. All right, so I'm back home with everything I bought today. And I just got it all unloaded, so I'll tell you all the price, what I paid for everything. But I just wanted to show you all, got it off the truck, so I'll give you all a look. So I bought this thing. I just thought it was pretty cool, like somebody could hang a decorative piece over the wood stove or something. He gave me this pine box just to carry everything in that I bought from him. But I got these hinges for $1. Everything was marked half off, so this was the sale yesterday. Little word of advice. When you go to these sales, go on the last day because everything's half off. And I'll tell you all where I find these sales at the end of the video. But here's some drywall screws. I think I paid 50 cents for those. Here's another hinge. Got this brush for $1. This will sweep my furniture and stuff off with that. I bought these hinges for my shed. I think he sold these things to me for like $1 for the set. So I looked at Ace Hardware, they were $8 a piece. I got 4 for $2. Bunch of random stains for like $1. Like I said, you can never have too many tape measures. I saw this one hang on the wall in there, so I was like, hey, I'll take it for $1. Here's some more screws. These are 4-inch screws. This box of screws alone is probably $7 or $8 at Lowe's. I got it for $1. Never have too many staining gloves either. Got this pump for $4. My lawnmower tire was flat, so just some more random screws. Some sandpaper. He threw this and screws in for free at the end because he had me all totaled up. I said, how much for this stuff? He's like, yeah, you can have it for free. All right, cool. Big Purdy brush. They had them marked at $4 a piece, which I don't actually know how much they sell at Lowe's for. But I paid $2 a piece for them. I'm gonna roll the shed with those. This hardware, I think he sold it to me for $5. Let's see. I got this Air Brad nailer. They had 15 on. I offered him 5. It's brand new, still in the box. He sold it to me for $5. The pail. These people, a lot of people like these old pails. I don't know. They had 25 on it. It's in really good shape. I gave him $5 for it. I figured I'd get 15, 20 out of that. This paint, I haven't opened it up yet, but they seem like they're full. And he was asking $1 a can, so I was like, sure, I'll take it. And this little box he sold to me for $2. Nice little neat box. $2. I'm figuring I can't build that thing for $2. So back here we got galvanized trash cans, all in good shape, no holes. They all had lids on them. He said $5 a can. I said, sure. Then here's a box of goodies. This is a really hefty tool right here. Everybody needs one of these. These things are, they're a must-have. I got it for $5. Actually, I haven't plugged it in to see if it works, so he might have got me on that one. These, went to Lowe's to buy these, and I want to say they were like $8 to $12. He was selling to me for 50 cents. So I was like, hell yeah, I'll take them. $1 for a hammer, can't beat it. I got this, don't even know how to use it, but I seen a video of a guy cutting some wood with it. I said, hey, you know what, I might need one. Here's some more of these, 50 cents. So I just picked them up. More screws. Yeah, these are big screws too. Let's see here. Oh, nails, they're nails. 4-inch nails, I believe. So I bought those for $1 a box. I bought all those screws in this box here, 2.5-inch screws for $1. Got some clamps, $1.50 a clamp. I said, hell yeah. And all these boxes of screws were 50 cents each. So I just bought them 3-inch nails. I used the hell out of those. Another box of 3-inch nails for $1. I'm like, jeez, man. And then I bought this brand new, still in the box. I gave him $5 for that too. And the wheelbarrow, I got a wheelbarrow, I needed that. Got that for, I think he sold it to me for $17. So I'll take it. And last but not least is this box here. I got this. All kinds of nails, pretty heavy. Can't really see, sorry, glare, but I mean, it's got all kinds of nails in it. He sold me that for $5. So, and I picked up this little cabinet the other day off the marketplace for $5. And it just got some damage to the leg. We'll sand that, repaint it. It'll look really good. All right, so grand total, everything I bought here. All right, so grand total, everything I bought was $132. So, man, you can't even get 2 gallons of this paint for that. So, highly recommend you guys check out the estate sales in your area. You can go on estatesales.net. You download the app and then search. I searched like 45-minute, or it's like 30-mile range. and this one was 30 minutes from my house. So I just went on the last day. Typically go on the last day because that's when everything's half off or 75% off, and you can just clean up. So especially if you're doing like redoing furniture or woodworking yourself, don't go to Lowe's and buy this stuff. It's insane. So check out the estate sales in your area. You can even go on Facebook Marketplace and look, search garage sales, yard sales, estate sales, and it'll bring up everything in your radius. As far as some of this other stuff, I just bought because I think I can make some money on it. And you know, like these trash cans, for instance, $5 each trash can. I think I can sell them for 15, 20 bucks a trash can. But this wasn't an estate sale I went to flip items. It was just to gather building material. But yeah, so hope you got some value out of this video, and subscribe if you like this. I'm going to be going to more estate sales and stuff, so you can follow me on these outings. All right, till next time.